Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable auto parking assist on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings right here. We're going to go to driver assistance and we're going to select parking at the top. Now, this is our X-Pilot assist. What are we going to do here is here we have our auto parking assist. We can disable it by tapping on the switch, enable it the same way. And here we have a video on how it looks like. So as you guys can see, it will basically help us park our vehicle. Of course, you don't really need it, but if sometimes you may be scared because if you're driving a long car, a limousine, for example, if you just went from hot hatches from sedans to limousines, there's always a difference. You can also use it just because you have the option. It's pretty normal because it will help you in every single way possible. And that way you make sure that you never ever hit your car while parking. For example, if you're reverse parking into a small space. So that's how you guys can easily enable it or disable it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.